So I just quickly wanted to show you how to use our disposable Majestic tool. So it will take any blade from any brand, but of course we prefer if you use Everlasting. Over here we have our U blade. So all you need to do is just push the blade out of the packaging, so you don't even need to touch the blade. Make sure not to cut yourself. This has been loosened up a little, and as you can see, the opening is quite tight. So all I'm going to do is just ease it with the corner of the blade as I'm pushing it in. As you can see, it's already in there a little. So how much you put it in, of course, is up to you. Tighten it back up, and there you go. Any angle, any direction, whichever is the best way for you. It's tightly in there and you're ready to be working. And here I just have a few examples. Okay, U blade you just had. Here you have your shading blades, which is quite thick. And here you have your classic slanted blade. So, yeah.
Can you show how to remove a blade if you need to change it to a different one?
Okay. So if you need to remove a blade and you're still working on the same client, of course, these are disposable, so don't use them on several clients. So all you do is just unscrew this part of the blade, remove the blade without touching it. That is disposed in sharps bin, and select a new blade and place it just like I showed. That's all. So sometimes if you unscrew it, just make sure you also push this part down. This enables the opening to loosen up more. As you can see, it's over here. And I mean, you could even take this whole thing apart. So as you can see, the looser the screw is, the looser the opening, and the easier it is for you to push the blade in.
What is the most common mistake?
The most common mistake is when the blade is already tightened and we have people just unscrew it a little and perhaps not enough, and not pushing this part of the Majestic tool down in order to loosen the opening, and they get stuck, they can't push the blade in and they think they have a faulty tool. So that's the most common mistake. So all you need to do is just unscrew it, push this down to allow the opening to open.
Great.